Today's show time is around dance performance on the topic peacock. More. It can be any language song. Okay. We have 4 teachers in the class. 2 of them are judges. One is Sanchita teacher who is in the red dress out there. Then it is Manisha teacher who is here in the black dress out here. Okay. Yasha teacher and Devendra sir are going to be observing the whole process. We are going to go in alphabetical order. Pranav goes first. Pranav, are you ready? It's Pranav, then Ranveer, then Subhan, then Tanishka and Vihan. Pranav, are you ready? प्रणव रेडी होके आ गए हो क्या? Pranav, have you gone to some parlor to get ready and put on makeup? प्रणव साहब लवकर या, तुमची वाट बघते आम्ही स्टेजवर. प्रणव साहब, आप जहां कहीं भी हो जल्दी से स्टेज पे आ जाइए. प्रणव साहब, आप जहां कहीं भी हो जल्दी से स्टेज पे आ जाइए. अरे प्रिंसिपल मैम भी पीक कर रही हैं. प्रणव साहब, आप कहाँ हैं? Okay, since we can't catch hold of Pranav,
yes.
I think Pranav is just gone to some dressing up greenhouse.
Yes.
Okay, so I think the next contestant, that's Ranveer, will take the
Yes.
stage. All right,
Okay,
Ranveer,
ma'am.
Okay.
we are
Yes.
ready when
Best
you
of
are
luck.
ready. All the best.
Yes, Ranveer is
Everybody
ready.
else is on silent because we don't want any background noise.
Ma'am, wait a minute. The song has some, so we need to.
Okay, Ranveer, we are waiting for you.
Ma'am, 1 minute. Okay, ma'am, we'll start. I'm starting.
What happened? Why? Yeah, ready now? Wait. Your voice. This is. Now it's better. Wait, Ron.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Like for the judges. All right.
Thank you, thank
judges.
you, thank you. It's very good. Chalo, next one.
Any special comments? Anything?
I like
Very
it.
good. I
Yes,
also felt like dancing.
yes,
And I should appreciate your attire, the whole makeup, everything like Mayur.
yeah.
Very good, Ranveer.
Thank you, ma'am.
I like your feather. This feather.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yes. I like your feather. It's very
Okay,
nice.
who is
Nice
next?
thought.
Who is next? The next one to go is Pranav. Pranav, it's you. Okay.
Oh,
Others, wait your turn. Pranav, your screen is frozen, Baba. अरे ये तो कोयल बोल रहा है peacock है क्या? Pranav, are you ready? Okay, your screen is up. Okay, Pranav also has some face makeup. Okay, cool.
Both dances there in one.
Both dances are in the same. Okay, I'll just inform the judges about it. Judges, Pranav and Tanishka will probably be having their performances together.
Okay.
Okay, all right.
Okay.
So I'm putting everybody on mute. And Pranav and Tanishka, you're ready. You're up now.
Ma'am of song.
Yes, yes, put on your song and start your performance. We are waiting.
Wait.
थोड़ा जल्दी प्रणव, थोड़ा जल्दी. थोड़ा जल्दी प्रणव.
Ma'am, you can hear the song.
Yes, yes, we can hear it. Yes, yes, we can hear it.
You can hear.
Yes, yes, we can hear it. Yes, all of us can hear it.
Tanishka. Ma'am can hear. Ma'am, but we are seeing on YouTube. Ma'am, so when we will close the YouTube, will be also close.
Okay, okay. Performance शुरू किया जाए.
चले. Ma'am, you can see us.
Your screen is frozen. Your screen is frozen, at least to me. Others can see Pranav's screen? No, no, then nobody can see it. Your screen is frozen, Pranav. We can see you, but the screen is frozen. Pranav, थोड़ा जल्दी फिक्स कर दो भाई. This much only? Okay. Okay, cool, good. Clap for Subhan, everybody. Clap for Subhan. Good job, Subhan. Very nice, very nice. Good. Teachers, any expert comments?
It's good, very good, Subhan. I like it.
Okay,
I like
cool,
it.
good.
Yes.
Good, good.
Yes, it's good. Like
Vihan,
it.
Vihan,
Man's dance was energetic.
Vihan, are you ready? Will you perform
Yes,
now?
ma'am.
Yes, ready? Okay, you want me to help you with the song or anything?
No.
Okay, fine. Very good. Very good, Vihan. Very good. I'm so happy to see you participate and perform. Superb. Other teachers, anything that you want to say about this?
Yes, Vihan was going. Yes, very good, and he was going with the music. He was moving according with the music. I like it. It's very good, Vihan. Very good.
Good
Keep
one,
it up.
Vihan.
Keep it up.
Vihan, you dance so well.
Good one, Vihan. Superb. Superb. Keep it up.
Good job. Good job, Vihan.
Very good.
Yeah.
Cool. Okay. Are we now ready for Tanishka and Pranav? बहुत देर वेट कराया. ये कोई एकदम जबरदस्त परफॉर्मेंस होने वाला है.
I think so. I think.
जबरदस्त परफॉर्मेंस. We are ready to start immediately. अरे वाह वाह वाह. Cool, 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 cool. क्या बात है, क्या बात है. Very nice, very
Good, good,
nice.
very good, very nice.
Tanishka and Ranveer, at last, Pranav danced.
Yes,
At
finally
last.
Pranav danced. Pranav danced finally.
He was not ready
Finally,
to
you
dance.
danced.
He was
He was
really
not ready.
feeling shy to dance. He said, "I will not
Yes.
dance."
Okay.
I will not
Great
dance.
effort. Great
Pranav,
effort.
today
great
I
effort.
saw your dance.
He was very nervous.
And no Ganpati dance, proper dance.
क्लियर इंस्ट्रक्शन था. पिछले क्लास में क्लियर इंस्ट्रक्शन था कि डांस करना है, गणपति डांस नहीं चलेगा. प्रॉपर स्टेप्स वाले डांस होने चाहिए.
Okay, okay.
So
Good.
teachers, now I'm going to give you a little background of why we have judges in this class and why we have observers in the class. We have been having show time for the last 3 to 4 weeks. Okay.
Okay.
So usually whatever result comes up, one or the other teacher who is there as a guest on the show is going to announce. So last couple of times, me being their class teacher, they asked me to announce the result. So I said, I will not be doing justice by announcing the result because I'm your class teacher. I cannot announce result. But they said, नहीं नहीं करना पड़ेगा ये वो ठीक है. Last 2 classes से मैंने किया. But couple of results, no, they were not happy with overall. So I said, कि no teachers from your class will come to judge now. Now I'll get someone from outside. So that's how you both are here today. So they have someone from outside who absolutely does not know them and is going to judge them. Now teachers,
Yes.
it is up to you to give your performances. You can have 2 results. One Sanchita teacher gives her result, one Manisha teacher gives her result, or we match up both of it and have one result. It's up to you. We had to get judges. We have judges in the class. You have seen the performances. Now the
For that Kavita, we want to discuss between us. So give us some time, 5 minutes at least.
yes,
Only
yes,
five
yes.
minutes.
Okay,
Yes.
okay. I'll
We'll
put
give
you on
come-
mute.
come
Y'all
back.
want- Yeah. I'll put you on mute. You all want to come back after talking to each other? Fine, no issues. That's fair. Okay. ठीक है ना बच्चों? Now we will
Pranav,
wait.
show me your bindi.
अरे पढ़ूं गेला.
Pranav, show me at least. Let me see. Wow.
It is not
Okay.
bindi.
Then eyeliner or sketch pen?
No, it is like
Eyeliner.
yes.
ओहो, अब तो eyeliner भी लगा दिया प्रणव ने. वाह.
Oh,
क्या बात है प्रणव, आज तो
For the
एकदम
dance.
परफॉर्मेंस तड़ाका. जजेस वापस मंच पे आ चुके हैं. जजेस अपनी डिस्कशन करने के बाद मंच पे आ चुके हैं.
Yes.
Yes, judges.
First of all, it's very difficult for us also to judge because I never faced this type of situation. Okay, so it's my first experience also, you can say, as a judge. I
Ma'am,
can, yes, Ranveer, say.
ma'am, I don't know if I'm going to cry or laugh.
Oh my
Why?
God.
Why?
I
ऐसा
don't
क्यों लगा
know.
आपको? आपको
Ranveer
ऐसा
is so-
क्यों
मैं
लगा?
हंस रहा हूँ कि रो रहा हूँ मुझे ही नहीं पता.
अभी रिजल्ट देके पता चलेगा.
ये मोमेंट तब आता है जब तुम परफॉर्मेंस में घुस जाते हो.
Yes, that's true. Because you are feeling it from your heart that it should be like this, it should be like that. Otherwise, it will not come. Anyway, Kavita, it should be like first, second, third, fourth, or good, better, or good, nice.
Pupaji.
Okay.
तो संचिता टीचर आप अनाउंस कर दीजिए जैसा हमारा डिस्कशन हुआ.
Yeah, I'm announcing. Okay, it's our judgment. Okay, it's maybe vary from man to man. Okay, it's our judgment.
टीचर जज
Yes.
एक बात मैं बता दूं. I'm going to put all the kids on mute so they are not going to talk in between when everybody is announcing. Okay, all right.
Okay.
Children, जज का डिसीजन फाइनल होता है, उस पे कोई क्वेश्चन नहीं चलेगा जैसे पिछली बार हुआ था और उसके पहले भी हुआ था. ओके, जज का डिसीजन फाइनल है. तुम लोगों ने बोला जज चाहिए तो मतलब 1 पे 1 जज है यहाँ पे, राइट? तो जज का डिसीजन फाइनल है. ओके, किड्स ऑल ऑन म्यूट, टीचर्स गो.
यस, हमारे कुछ पॉइंट्स भी हैं, उसके अकॉर्डिंग हमने जजमेंट किया है. यस संचिता टीचर.
Yes. Okay, then I'm coming from, there is no fifth position. Okay, for us it's still fourth. Okay, so coming from fourth, third, second, and first. Okay, so in fourth position we kept 2. Okay, that is Rihan and Pranav, because I came to know that Pranav was not ready to dance. Still, he showed his performance. I like that because he was ready to
Yes.
dance, because he was feeling shy, but he did. I like that
Yes.
his efforts. Okay, he was doing. Even Rihan also, I know Rihan also doing very well, because I know he can do, but still he is performing in front of us all, though, because we are unknown for them. That's a good thing for all. So we keep Vihan and Pranav for the 4th position. Third will be Shubhan. Okay, Shubhan will be third. His movement was there, but what I thought that he is going out of the screen few times.
Yes.
His movement was there, expression was good, but I can't see his performance. Nani Teri More Nico, he was out of the screen 3-4 times. It's happened. So that's why we keep him in third position. Second will be Tanishka. Tanishka, I like your dress, costumes, but these feathers, it should be not rabbit head, ears. If it is a feather, and since I like your movement, your lachakna,
Yes.
these things, I like that one. So,
Yes,
but sometimes
Tanishka.
also you were a little bit aside. You are supposed to come in the middle of the screen so that it will be easy for us to judge. So sometimes you are going aside. So it's very difficult for us also, because before dancing, you should keep it in the front, that your camera should be in the middle so that we
Yes,
can
yes.
see you properly. Okay. And the first is always.
Position. Ma'am, don't
Yes.
say the first position.
Oh, he's crying. He's crying.
Unmute everyone and they will announce the
Okay,
position.
okay. Okay. So I want to see whether he is crying or laughing or what it is.
Oh, I'm and crying both.
Because I saw Ranjit
Nahi.
is wearing some prop according to
Yes,
peacock
yes,
is
yes.
feather, and he put some, even Pranav also put some bindis over here. But I like the movement. The first movement he was doing like this, that movement, and the forward and backward. Even he was covering himself full. He was in the
Yes.
middle of the screen. I was able to see all the posture, what all the steps he is doing.
Yes, और beats भी एकदम मैच हो रहे थे उसके स्टेप्स के साथ. Beats भी आगे पीछे नहीं जा रहे थे स्टेप्स के साथ.
So it's
Movements भी
our
बहुत अच्छे थे.
judgment, and that's the result. Now you all can carry on for that. Thanks a lot.
Thank you, judges.
Yes,
Thank
judge
you,
also.
teachers.
Thank you,
Thank you so
ma'am.
much for coming over and encouraging the kids. Thank you so much for coming
Congrats,
today.
congrats to all, because
आप की जज ड्यूटी लगती रहेगी अब से.
Ranveer, I think you should start loving dance.
And me are on top.
Tanisha, you are dancing very good, but
Thank you
just
so
come in the
much.
middle. Tanisha, just come in the middle. Then you can see your performance nice. Yes. Okay, you are dancing very well, beta.
Yes, Tanishka. Superb.
Cool.
So-
Clap for yourself. Clap for yourself. Everybody first clap for yourself. Everybody first clap for yourself.
Tap yourself.
Pat your back.
Tap
Pat your back.
yourself. Pat. That you
Pat
have
your
done
back.
excellent job.
Good job. Y'all
Vihan.
have learnt it on your own without any teacher coming and teaching and all. घर
Yes,
पे
yes,
अपने से parents के
Yes.
साथ. Very good job. Totally appreciated. Very good.
Yes,
Very
yes,
good.
Yes.
Good job.
Thank you.
That's
I'm
all.
such a big relief.
Thank you, Grade 6, for calling us to see your performances.
Yes, thanks, Kate.
Welcome, ma'am.
Thanks, Kate.
Thank you.
We also
Children,
get
thank the
to
judges, thank
get to
the
see.
viewers. Audience आई थी आज आपके performance को देखने के लिए. Thank the viewers. Thank
Yes,
the
we also
judges.
able to see this performance.
Children, thank
We
the
are-
judges.
Yes.
Hey. Thank you, judges. Have a nice day.
Thanks. Same to you, beta. Love you all.
Thank you.
Love you all. Love you all.
Bye bye.
Thank you,
Bye.
sir. And you, sir.